Today I will talk about the topic is clothes.
Okay, sir.
And then this is a t-shirt.
Yes, sir.
And then what is this?
Jeans, pants. Oh, jeans, pants, jeans.
Okay. And then that's your sauce, guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can someone practice to me?
Mimi want to practice.
Yes. Please.
Okay. This is my shirt. This is my pants. And this is my shoes. Thank
Okay,
you,
thank
sir.
Okay,
And you read it.
this is my shirt, this is my pants, and this is my shoes.
Okay.
This is my shirt. This is my pants. And this is my shoes. Thank you, sir. This is my shirt, my pants, and my shoes. Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys, and then I will. Okay, guys, and then I will give you a correct way.
Okay. Okay, sir.
This is jacket.
This is jacket.
This is pants.
This is pants.
This is shoes.
This is shoes.
Okay, thank you. And then I will question. Okay, guys, and now I will ask one by one. What do you wear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Mimi, what do you wear in your head?
I wear my black hijab.
And then, Lisa, what do you wear in your feet?
I wear my a black t-shirt and a jeans pant.
Okay, and next, Mona.
I wear a pink clothes and a black pants.
Okay, next.
Okay, I wear brown shirt and pants.
Okay. Mimi,
Yes, sir.
what color your hijab?
Black shirt.
Okay. Lisa, what color your shirt?
Black.
Okay. And then, Mona.
Pink shirt.
And then, Nakia,
What?
what
Shirt.
color your?
Brown.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Okay, guys, and then as your partner, what him wearing today?
Okay, sir.
Okay, start from wearing a shirt, and then wearing a pants, and then wearing a shoes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, start from Lisa and me.
Okay. Who will go first?
Mimi,
What are you wearing?
I wear a black hijab and a green or blue shirt and then a black pants and then a white shoes.
okay.
How about you, Lisa?
I'm wearing a Gucci shirt, the black one, and then I'm wearing Chanel jeans, and then I'm wearing sneakers.
Okay, Lisa.
Thank you.
Okay, and the next, Nakia and Mona.
Ask me? No, you. Okay. What are you wearing today, Lisa? I wear a pink shirt, black pants, and a black shoe. And how about you? Okay, now I'm wearing a brown hijab, brown shirt, brown pants, and also brown shoes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys for attention. So, and then next I will test you about your understanding what I taught you. Okay?
Okay, sir.
What is this?
A shirt.
What is this?
A pants.
What is this?
A shoes.
Can you go first?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is this?
Shirt.
What is this?
Pants.
What is this?
Shirt.
What is this?
Pants.
What is this?
Shoes.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, guys, to make it fun, let's sing
Yay.
together.
Yay.
Okay.
Can you try, sir?
Okay.
Please tell us. This is sir.
This is us, this is pen, this is us. Okay.
Okay, like that. Okay,
Okay, like that, yes. Okay.
Maybe
Wow.
you stand up or
Can you stand up first?
okay.
Okay. I will start again. 1, 2, 3.
This is shirt, this is pants, this is shoes. This is shirt, this is pants, this is shoes. This is shirt, this is pants, this is shoes. This is shirt, this is pants, this is pants, this is shoes.
Okay, guys, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you guys for today. Thank you for the class. See you and the next week, yeah, guys.
Okay.